According to a leak by Anthony at the Galox on Twitter, the biggest upgrade in the Galaxy S26 Ultra could be its touch sampling rate. The device is reportedly moving from 240 Hz all the way up to 3,600 Hz, a huge leap that would make touch response incredibly fast and accurate. For users, this means smoother gaming, faster reaction times, and an overall more fluid experience while using the screen. Samsung is clearly pushing boundaries with this upgrade, making the S26 Ultra one of the most responsive smartphones we've ever seen. According to a recent leak shared by CID, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is going to be a true beast when it comes to display technology. Let's break it down. The device will feature Samsung's latest M14 OLED panel, delivering next-level clarity and color accuracy. It supports up to 144 Hz at QHD+ resolution, with an insane 3,200 Hz touch sampling rate, making it a dream for gamers and power users alike. Not only that, but the Galaxy S26 Ultra also packs Dolby Vision and HDR 10+, ensuring cinematic visuals on the go. With Koei technology, Samsung promises much better power efficiency without compromising performance. And here's the real kicker: 2,600 nits full panel brightness, a jaw-dropping 6,000 nits peak brightness for HDR content. That means whether you're outdoors in blazing sunlight or watching HDR movies, this display is built to impress. If the leaks hold true, Samsung is setting a whole new standard for smartphone displays with the S26 Ultra. The Ultra, as always, would stand at the top as the most powerful and feature-packed device. If this turns out to be true, the Galaxy S26 family may bring a refreshed marketing strategy compared to previous generations.